Who's sitting on your sandbox, Elliot? Hi, kitty cat. Do you want your bulldozer? Sandbox. Elliot's new slide. And it's the big Ford up there. What are you sitting in? Here's your bulldozer. Do you love your sandbox? Do you love your sandbox? Elliot? Look at Mommy and say, I love my sandbox. Are you excited to be outside?
Oh, making a road.
Making a road? Show me. Hi, kitty. Kitty's just chilling. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Ping, bang, tap. Do you have any songs to sing while you make the road? What song do you sing when you make a road? You talking to the kitty cat? Meow. Mark the road, mark the road, mark it on the map. Hammer in the marking pegs. Nice job. Kitty's supervising.